Hi Can Readers, my name is Marvin and I live in Los Mochis, Sinaloa, Mexico. I am 21 years old and I am a student of university and I currently getting a degree on physical education because it's my passion. I love to teach children new things, interact and have fun in every class together.
To my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue.
And I also love all the sports, and especially I like to practice boxing, athletics, and outdoor activities.
To my heartbeats.
The most important reason for this video is because I would really like to work in a summer camp in the United States because I like to meet new people from different countries and learn a little more about their cultures, and I believe that this is the best way to improve my English.
As long as skies are blue, you act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
Thank you so much for watching my video application. I hope to see you next summer.